If you've got a Schlage electronic lock, you know how convenient they can be. But let's face it, nothing's more frustrating than when your Schlage programming code is not working. You punch in the numbers, expecting that satisfying click, and nothing. Or worse, an error light. Well, you're not alone, and you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to dive deep into all the common reasons why your Schlage programming code is not working, and more importantly, give you the step-by-step solutions to get your lock back in action. We'll cover everything from simple fixes to deeper troubleshooting, so stick around and let's get that Schlage lock working perfectly again. Main body, understanding and fixing. Schlage programming code. Issues. First things first, let's understand why your Schlage programming code might not be working. There are a few usual suspects, and we'll tackle them one by one. Section 1. Basic checks and common user errors. Before we get into anything complex, let's rule out the simplest things. You'd be surprised how often these fix the problem. 1. Is it the right code? Programming code versus user code. This is a big one. Many users confuse their Schlage programming code with a standard user code. Remember, the programming code is typically 4 to 8 digits long, often found on a sticker on the back of the interior assembly or in your manual, and it's used to add or delete user codes, change settings, or activate features. A user code is what you use daily to unlock the door. Actionable tip: double check your manual or the sticker for the correct Schlage programming code. Ensure you're not trying to program with a regular user code. 2. Incorrect entry sequence or timing. Electronic locks are particular about timing. If you're entering the Schlage programming code too slowly or too quickly, it might not register. Actionable tip: enter the programming code firmly and consistently. Try pausing for about half a second between each digit. Make sure you're following the exact sequence outlined in your manual, e.g., programming code, then Schlage button, then function code. 3. Low battery indicator, a common culprit. When your batteries are low, the lock might not have enough power to execute programming commands, even if it can still operate for a short time. Actionable tip: look for any red lights, flashing lights, or audible beeps that indicate low battery. How to change Schlage lock battery. Locate the battery cover on the interior side of your Schlage lock. Remove the cover, often slides up or has a small screw. Carefully remove the old batteries. Insert fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries, usually AA or 9V, depending on your model. Pro tip: avoid rechargeable batteries, as they often have lower voltage and can cause issues. Replace the battery cover. After a battery change, try your Schlage programming code again. Section 2. Advanced troubleshooting for Schlage programming issues. If the basic checks didn't solve your Schlage programming code, not working issue, don't worry. We have a few more tricks up our sleeve. 4. Resetting your Schlage lock. Sometimes, a full reset can clear out any software glitches preventing your Schlage programming code from working. Warning: performing a factory reset will delete all existing user codes and reset all custom settings. You will need to reprogram everything from scratch. How to factory reset Schlage electronic lock. General steps: always refer to your specific model's manual. Disconnect the battery pack. On the exterior keypad, press the Schlage button or the branding button and hold it. While holding the Schlage button, reconnect the battery pack. Continue holding the Schlage button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You should hear a beep or see a light indication that the reset is complete. Release the button. Once reset, you'll need to use the default Schlage programming code found in your manual or on the sticker to set up new user codes. 5. Checking for mechanical issues. Keypad malfunction. While rare, a faulty keypad could prevent your code from being entered correctly. Actionable tip: if certain numbers don't light up or respond consistently when pressed, it might indicate a hardware problem. If this is the case, contact Schlage customer support. Section 3. What if you lost your Schlage programming code? What if my Schlage programming code is lost and I can't find the sticker or manual? This is a common question. In most cases, if you don't have the original programming code, The only way to regain full control and reprogram your Schlage lock is to perform a factory reset as described in section 2. After the reset, you'll be able to use the default programming code, often 0000 or 1234 by default, but always check your manual for your specific model to set up a new custom programming code and user codes. Special tips and FAQs. Tip 1. Manual is your best friend. Always keep your Schlage locks manual handy. It contains specific programming sequences and troubleshooting steps unique to your model. If you've lost it, you can usually find a PDF version on the Schlage website. Tip 2. Test user codes. After you've resolved your programming code issue and set new user codes, always test them with the door open first to avoid accidentally locking yourself out. FAQ. My Schlage lock just stopped responding. What do I do? Check the batteries first. If replacing them doesn't work, try a full factory reset. If the issue persists, contact Schlage customer support, as it might be a hardware malfunction. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to fixing your Schlage programming code not working issues. We hope these tips and tricks help you regain control of your electronic lock and keep your smart home running smoothly. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with anyone who might be having similar issues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more smart home device reviews, how-to guides, and troubleshooting tips. Got a question we didn't cover? Or a specific problem with your Schlage lock? Leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you and helping out our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.